Good afternoon, everyone. Let us continue the International Business third chapter International Human Resource Management. Today's topic is International Operation Management. Let us know about the introduction of International Operational Management. Operation management is a branch of study which mainly concerning with planning, organizing and supervising in the context of production, manufacturing or the provision of services. It evolving market globalization, technology development, the overcoming the international barriers. Operational involves the rethinking of operation management strategies, innovation approaches in international product development, sourcing the manufacturing and logistics are required to maintain and increase the competitive advantages. Let us we know about the what is mean by operation. Operation, the action of functioning, the action and decisions made by the company that affect the production, distribution, services, and management need for the company to function, the required use of the resources and assets. But let us know about the meaning of management. Management is a administration of an organization, whether it is a business, a non-profit organization, or a government bodies. Okay, there is a different levels of management. First one is top level. Top level include board of director, chief executive, managing director. Middle level it include branch managers, department managers. Next, lower level. Lower level they are the supervisory or a operational level. It include supervisors, foreman, section officers, and superintendent. These are all the meaning of management, operation, and introduction of international operational management. Let us know about the meaning of operational management. Operational management is an area of management concerning with designing. Okay, designing is a known as a business design is a human centered approach to innovation. It applies the principle and practice of design. It helps the organization to create a new and newly formed competitive advantages. Designs are made according to the customer desires and wants only. Let us know about the controlling. Controlling is the process of assigning the organization process towards accomplishing its goal. Yes, controlling the process of production and designing the business operation in the production of goods and services. Based on that, only the organization will operate the different levels of management. Next, let us we know about the meaning of international operational management. It deals with the production of goods. If a company produces different types of goods or a single good, it depends upon the company and the services in international location and market. Okay, based on the international means a different country, they open the businesses in different country, they start to produce a different products based on their location available resources only they produce the product. Next, it involves a management process which has been taken into consideration local production market. In market they are it includes the labor and capital and international customers requirement. Okay, while starting the businesses in different countries, we have to take into consideration that their people what they need, what are all the cultures they follow, what are all the resources are being available. Resources may be raw material or labor it include. Let us we know about the nature of international operational management. First one is meeting the international quality standards. Okay, there are different quality standards. Quality standard it is a detailed requirement, specification, guidelines, and characteristics that a product or a services process constantly to meet the quality match expectation, fit purpose, and meet the need to their users. Means a product is manufactured to sell the customers based on their qualities available. Without the quality, no person are interested to buy the product. Next one is forecasting the demand and production design. Based on the demand only the organization will produce the product. Production design means for let us we take example as a TV show. Okay, in well forecasting that forecasting any show means the production designer is the individual responsible for overall the shows, like overall the activities, operational activities we can say it, like size of the production, decorations, buyers, dressers, runners, graphic designers, draft people, and makers and set builders. These are all been done by the production manager, then only they forecast this show. Next one is profitability. Profitability means the organization expect return on investment. Without any profit means no organization are not interested to do the business. They expect something from their business. Next one is minimum production cost. They do the business almost all production cost. The production cost like what are all the expenses are being included while manufacturing a product, like raw material cost, plant cost, employees cost, packing cost, advertisement cost, promotional cost, etc. These are all the costs are being included. Next one is adoption of modern available technology. Here technology means develop the training communication for buyers to perform the current system analysis, monitoring and a cross corrections. These are all the points are being kept in the mind to develop the new technology. Next one is next topic is operational management and competitive advantages. First one is competing the differentiation. Here the company doesn't make a product that are similar to those made by the competitors. It is normally make the product that meet the customers need betterly. If, we can take it as a PepsiCo and Coca-Cola. Though they are the soft drink, but they produce their product and different methods or different taste flavors are being used. Next one is competing on cost. Here the organization primarily compete by being the low cost producer of goods and services. Depends upon the situation or a market demand only. They and product actual cost and the profit are being included in cost of the product. Next one is competing a response. A company can be compete by being the most responsive to the customer need. For example, response we can say it as while selling the product, collecting the information from the customers about the product, how they like and how what are all the advantages and disadvantages in their product, or what are all the preferred taste of the product. Next, let us we know about the strategic issues, that is sources versus vertical integration. Here, strategic means planning to achieve the goals. Issues means a problem arised. Strategic sources. Let us we know about the strategic sourcing. Refers to the process of identifying the spending profit of an organization. It's supply based to ensure the business requirement aligned with the suppliers. Means where the source of the raw materials are available to the organization are being considered in strategic sources. Next one is vertical integration. Vertical integration, it is a strategy whereby the company or a control its suppliers, distributors or a retail location to control its value or a supply chain. We can take it as an example of book publication, addiction or a version part. Means vertical integration. A company control means how to if a company manufacture a or a publish a book to the publics, means he consider the what are all the how the readers are response for their book, or what are all the expected stories are being expecting from the authors. These are all being considered in the vertical integration. A strategic source makes or buy means the company, for example, a company manufacturing a product, that product are accepted by the customers or not. Insourcing versus outsource are common name for the same thing. The degree in which the company chooses the vertical integration. When a company elects the manufacturing a commercial product, utilizing the prospectus agent, conducting association services such as quality assurance, regular adverse and marketing internally. These are all been are taken into consideration while manufacturing a product. Means where the sources are being getting the product, and overall the that product are being taken by the customers or accepted by the customers. For example, in recent news, a country manufacture a shorts displaying that the Indian Lord Ganesha, but immediately they said that it is a god of the India, so it does not accepted by the people, so they stopped the production of the product. So in these way, the company should taken into consideration about the people's point of view. Next one is next topic is about technological transfer. Technology transfer, it refers to the process of transferring skill, knowledge, or a technology, methods of manufacturing, or a sampling of manufacturing and facility among the government or a universal and the other institution to ensure the scientific and technology development or access to the wide range. Means a technology transfer. For example, I already said doing the business in internationally it depends more activities such as while doing the businesses in internationally, each country you have to be considered. For example, while I am opening a company in another country, means I have to keep in mind that a government policies are approved from the government, and then I have to establish a company, raw materials are available or not, I have to think that and then labors are available or not, and then I will manufacture a product, the waste are being output from the which area, or it getting permission from the government, in which area I should dump the waste. These are all been considered, and the product are manufactured in that area, that culture have that people, the society of people, they accept the product or not. Technology means these are all the points we have to think. Technology changes in new methods, new ideas, new thoughts, we have to update the things according to their customers desire, and the population or a country's depends upon their country. Next one is managing service operation. Manufacturing, services, agriculture are the major economic activity of in a country. These survey, for example, India manufacture and services together the constant 70% of GDP. Moreover, in recent years, growth in the GDP is primarily due to the growth in the sector of the economy. During the last 10 years, share of the services in the GDP has grown steadily from the 40% and to about 51%. The union government gave the taxation three services in 1994 and 1995. These statistic data, it is related to the past information. But today's a COVID time, Indian services are being stopped to the foreign countries, and these criteria GDP, India's GDP is fall down. So don't take it this example in the exam. Okay, managing service operation today's in society, due to the COVID, all the services operation in India has been stopped. Only the services like some food centers, they are operating and they're providing foods to their customers, we can take it that only, and the taxation are being included for the services only. And then there is a few types of services, that is airline, banking, corporate events planner, bookkeepers, and computer service specialists. These are the services are given by the company to their customers. These are the services are being included. So okay, these statistical data are being not comes are not considered today's society. Present society, all the different types of services are being stopped. Only food services are available to the customers, that too with strict rules and regulations, and taxation are being exempted up to some level. So we have to do some research, present research we have to be mentioned. This is about today's topic. Thank you everyone.